Alright, I wrote the questions down before, that way this one a little bit quicker. So, the first one is you place a frozen pie in the oven and bake for an hour, and then you take it out and cool. Describe the temperature changes as time passes and sketch a rough draft versus time and temp. So, as the cake bakes, it is going to steadily increase until the oven temperature where it's going to plateau. Hold on, I'm writing this down. Then, once you take it out, it will decrease at a steady temperature until it reaches room temperature, where it will stay until you put it in the fridge. Sorry, I couldn't spell. So the graph of this, you only really need maybe a little L. And it's gonna start out probably frozen, or well, room temperature. It'll start out room temperature, but then it's gonna go all the way up to oven temp. Flatten out over time, and then once you take it out, it's gonna go down until where it started at, and then flatten back out. Okay, that's it. Alright, oh shoot. Alright, and then for 1.6 for number 30, it's sketch the inverse. Sketch the inverse of f from the graph that you already have. So to do the inverse, you would just reverse x and y. So this one has a point of 0, 1. So that makes the new point 1, 0. And then it has a point on the graph that is 2, 0, which would be 0, 2. And then the graph would just go the other way. Like right now it's going this way, and it's gonna go this way. All right. Now, we're using data points to decide secant lines and to estimate the heartbeat after 42 minutes. For number 2, for 2A, it's 36 minutes, so it's 36 and 42, so you do 36 minus 42 on the bottom, and 2,530 minus 2,948 on top. So let me do that real quick. 36 minus 42. That equals 209 over 3, which 209. That is equal to 69.66 repeating. And then for 2C, it's 40 and 42, so you do 2,806 minus 2,948, and 40 minus 42 on the bottom. And that is equal to 71.